In my opinion, if you are a designer and you don't wake up every morning with the fundamental belief that through the work you do, you can change the world and you can change people's lives, you're either not working hard enough or you're not working for the right company. My team uses Creative Cloud. We're starting to get into XD. We're starting to use Adobe Stock. And then the parts of interactive experience that are more on the consulting side are using Experience Cloud as well. Oftentimes, if you're pitching a really big, hairy idea, it could be hard to imagine without being able to render it in some shape or form. So XD is really valuable from the standpoint of creating a prototype that people in the boardroom, you could pass around a tablet and touch and feel, and you do need to bring it to life to some extent for them to see, like, oh, this would be a fantastic thing for us to invest in the future. I'm really excited to have Adobe as a partner. I think with the way Adobe is approaching creativity from both the you can make and produce and then analyze and scrutinize and bring this sort of full circle experience to creativity, to me, that is such a smart strategy and such a, great to be aligned with as far as partnership.